Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sahara and welcome to me packing and traveling to Bangkok. So I'm gonna pack my bag and travel to Bangkok on the plane, but it's only a 2-hour flight. So let's begin. But yeah, so let's begin with the video. Let's go. Oh, okay. So here's my luggage. And I'm going to show you my toiletry set first. Well, not toiletry. I don't really know what to call it. Liquid set. So I have my perfume. It's for kids. It's right there. I don't know. I just found it in my cupboard and I was like, okay. And I want to smell it, and it's a really nice smell. And bring 2 rubber bands. Yeah, I know how to put the rubber bands, so I'm just gonna put it on the perfume bottle. It's gonna make it bigger, but better. And then I have a mosquito repellent because I'm gonna be outside. And my comb, the bag to hold everything in, and just my deodorant. So that's all. So now I'm going to put everything inside. The comb fits diagonally, just this way, because I don't put it straight because it will break the bag, I think. Okay, and I put the mosquito repellent. It looks really pretty for mosquito repellent, but over here it says mosquito repellent. I don't know if you can see, but it says mosquito repellent liquid spray. There. Put that there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, this side. I'm gonna put the clothes here, and I'm just gonna put this here for now. So yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna bring this. It's a jumper. I don't know, but it's like a short. It's shorts, so yeah. I'm gonna wear something inside, like a shirt. Okay, so this, and I'm bringing a white one, so same thing, it's just white. And I think I'm gonna wear this shirt. I'm gonna wear this shirt for either one of these. Put that there. Okay, now let me just show you the others. My mom asked me to wear this. She found it in my cupboard. She's like, I should wear it because it was matching with these pants. So I'm wearing this. And I'm gonna go swimming there, so this is my swimsuit. Mickey Mouse. And like when I go swimming, and after I'm finished swimming, I'm just gonna go outside for a while, like take a step out of the water. I'll wear this kimono. Yeah, I think so. And a lot of Minnie and Mickey Mouse things. But like it's all in my cupboard. This shirt, extra shirt, and these 2 combos is definitely gonna wear this pink shorts and this white flowers. So I really like it because pink is my favorite color. So now let's fold them. Okay, so I'm done packing. Now I'm done packing. Wait, how do I show you? Yep. Everything's all done, and the rest of the space is Oh my gosh. The rest of the space is for other things. So yeah. Don't mind the background. Yeah. It's a mess, but it's okay. Y'all won't mind, right? But I'm done. So I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. So yeah. Okay, bye. Wait. I think that's all. Wait. Yeah, so my other stuff are with my mom in another bag. Yeah. So it's okay, never mind. But I'm done with this video. So with packing. So yeah. See you in the morning. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go to bed, and it's currently, wait, I don't really know the time. Hey Google, what time is it? It's 12:24 a.m. Yeah. For a second I was thinking a.m. I was like, oh yeah. I thought it was 1 a.m. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and good night. So yeah, ending of the video for today. I'm gonna see you in the morning for the flight. Leaving super early at 10. Probably 10 because the flight's at 1. And I don't know why we always go there very early, but I think you're supposed to go there early. Yeah, so good night. Bye. It's morning. Wait, actually not morning. It's already 12 o'clock. Remember how I told you that my plane was like gonna take off at 1? It got well, it changed, so it's at 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's at 4 o'clock, the plane. So now we're leaving, and I'm gonna show you my airport outfit. So I'm wearing this Powerpuff Girl t-shirt, really nice. And then I'm wearing these, I'm wearing these long jeans. It's baggy, and yeah, that's all. And just a normal hair. And my bag, this is the bag. I'm just gonna carry it on like this. In my bag, I have my airport in here, and I'm gonna be a little bored, so I brought my crocheting stuff. So I will see you in the airport. So okay guys, so I'm about to board. Probably like another 50 more. Wait, what time is it now? It's 3:05. Okay, like another like 35 more minutes. So
the gate closes at 3:40.
The gate closes at 3:40.
So we're gonna board soon.
Yeah, we're gonna board soon. We're gonna check in and board soon. Smile. There's nobody behind here though. My side is this side, right? Outside is this side. Yeah, that one. The crowded one. The crowded area. You can see there's a lot of people. Yeah, because the plane is about to board. And not lately. I mean like there's a lot of cleaners here. Whatever they're called. And so I'll see you on the plane. Okay. So now I'm going to charge my phone on the plane. I'm going to charge my phone because it's really not that good percentage. So I'm just going to crochet on the plane. And after my phone is a good percentage, and I'll use it. So, bye. Okay guys, so I finally boarded the plane. And there was a delay of 2 hours. And the second delay was they were checking the engine.
Please block
it was a
cabin door
safety
closed.
precaution. And this trip is a ghost trip. So I'm going to be doing. Oh yeah, and they give free snacks. What's the snack? And water, and there was a chocolate croissant, but I already ate it.
Scotties, please arm your doors, cross-check and stand by for safety demonstration.
Well, now I'm going to, now we're going to take off, and I'll see you later. I'm going to be crocheting a little bit because my phone's running low on battery. So I'm going to crochet a little bit if my phone will do it. So, see ya!
2 hours later.
Hey guys, we're landing. We're about to land. We haven't landed yet, but we're about to land. And so far, the crochet, what I crochet. Oh, it's in Singapore. It's 6:18, but in Bangkok it is now it's 6:18 in Singapore, but Bangkok is 5:18. 1 hour.
Cabin crew, please be seated for landing.
Okay, so I'll see you in the hotel room. Sawadika guys, I'm in Bangkok, and now it's almost 6 o'clock. But in Singapore it's 7. Oh, so right now I don't really know what we're gonna do because the whole day is almost gone and our schedule is messed up. So we have to do some of the things. We have to not the things that we plan to do today are cancelled. Some of them. So the other fun things like going to a cafe is we're going to do today. So I'll see you soon. Hey everybody, I'm now waiting for the train. It's coming, and if you're in Singapore and then you go in the MRT and then you use your bus card to tap, right? But this one is like the same thing in here for the train, but they give you a token, like a small coin, but it's not really a coin. Then you tap it and then it works. So I'll see you on the train. Now in the train, and look at this. I hope y'all can see it. Oh no, wait, you can't see it. Wait, let me show you. Now this is the view. I'm on the train and this is the view. See? Train. I'm gonna give you a few minutes to yourself to look at it. Yeah. You can fast forward if you want to, because it's gonna be a little boring, but it's really pretty. I'm at the hotel. I'm not in the hotel room, and this is the room, and I'm going to be tapping the card. Oh my!
Change the camera.
Oh, change the camera. Okay. What's the balcony? Oh! Wait, I'm going to. So, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!